In Australia, top applicants are invited to submit their applications once they have submitted an expression of interest for one of the several visa subclasses available. You must get familiar with the expression of interest for Australian immigration if you wish to live and work in Australia. This is because submitting an expression of interest is a crucial step in the application process for several Australian work visas. Since the points test score is an important way to determine if you are eligible to live and work in Australia, you should not submit an expression of interest until after you have been able to determine your points test score. Before submitting an EOI, you might also want to secure a nomination from a state or territory government, since this will increase your chances of receiving an invitation. Everything you need to know about the Australian expression of interest in 2024 will be covered in this video, including application time limits and processing of EOI for applicants. Processing of EOI for independent and family-sponsored applicants. The Department of Home Affairs periodically examines the EOIs that have been filed for independent and family-sponsored applicants. The top applicants receive an invitation to apply for skilled migration that is points tested, and currently, this happens every 2 weeks. The term occupational ceiling refers to the quotas that are established for each occupational category as invitations are sent to the applicants who score the highest marks. Individuals who possess greater qualifications, more job experience, and superior English language proficiency will be the most likely to get an invitation with a higher point total. Processing of EOI for state-nominated applicants. You must first submit your EOI if you hope to be nominated by a state or territory administration. As soon as the state or territory government completes your nomination, SkillSelect will typically send you an invitation. For candidates who are skilled points tested, you need to have a passing score of 65 points as of July 1, 2023 in order to be invited. Although state-nominated candidates are exempt from occupational limitations, governments and territories may maintain internal quotas for individual occupations. Time limit to apply after being invited. You have 60 days from the time you get an invitation to apply for a visa. Your invitation expires if you are unable to apply within this window, and receiving an invitation once does not ensure that you will receive another one in the future. In any case, before your application is deleted from the EOI system, you may only get up to 2 invites. You must ensure that you are ready to seize the opportunity when it presents itself by being organized in advance. If you would want a comprehensive evaluation of your situation, or if you would like to be assisted in completing your expression of interest and visa application, do not hesitate to contact a registered immigration consultant. Outcome of expression of interest. If your expression of interest is accepted, you will either be contacted by an Australian employer to explore employment and sponsorship prospects, or you will get an invitation to apply for a visa. Invitations to apply will be sent automatically to the top-ranked EOIs under the Independent and Skilled Regional Provisional Visa category. These invites are typically sent out once a month and are limited by occupation, as skilled individuals will be identified and selected by the states and territories that sponsor visas. Please be aware that the state or territory may contact the candidate before they submit an application. If you are selected and your points score is greater than the required passing mark, the SkillSelect system will give you an invitation to apply. What if you are not invited to apply for a visa? Your expression of interest will remain in SkillSelect for a maximum of 2 years if you are not invited to apply. Nonetheless, it is a reality that there are more individuals wishing to immigrate to Australia than there are spots available, which is why some expressions of interest will not get an invitation to apply. When submitting your expression of interest for Australian immigration, you are not required to provide supporting documentation. Therefore, any information you offer will be regarded at face value. The Department of Immigration and Border Protection of the Australian Government is also clear about who can assist you with Australian visa application. Immigration advice and assistance may only be given by migration agents who have registered with MARA. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!